Hello?
Hey, where you at?
44?
On 44?
Yeah.
Oh, you headed to Halltown?
Yep.
Well, Larry Smith just called me, said 97 there, down by the tracks where it's low water area. He said it's over the road and there's a car drowned out.
Okay.
So it says you go 39 across the Mount Vernon, then back on 44 and around that way.
Yep. 94. Okay. Awesome.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hey, so I talked to Lisa, and she has got a big surprise. Oh, still.
So, sleeping on the table?
No. He doesn't know I ate it. In fact, he almost caught me. I had to sneak back in and even it out.
Well, they say ostrich has less fat, but you eat more of it.
Hey, so I talked to Lisa, and she has got a big surprise for you. She's planning a weekend trip to Pennsylvania Dutch country.
Pennsylvania Dutch country? Well, that's the serious relationship weekend place.
What's going on with you two?
Well, I think by sleeping with her, I may have sent her the wrong message. What's that?
4 o'clock sugar pill.
Well, I'm calling this off right now.
No, you are way past the phone call breaking stage.
Well, I'm not going over there. That's where the lumber is.
It's daytime. That long? A little up the side. No point in wasting time on a text. Oh, Rosa!